What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Dydx. I wanted to make a video on that because well, first of all, I was late, alright? I was looking at potentially entering Dydx after it broke out above $3.3. I know Dydx has a tendency to really rally. I mean, if you take a look at the daily time frame, you'll see that right here, for example, or right here, or right here, or right here. Has rallied enough times in the last 2 years. So yeah, I did know that. I did not enter, all right? I felt like the market circumstances were too bearish for a rally like this, which for most cryptos was true, but for Dydx, it wasn't. I mean, right now, it's just very, very bullish. So I just wanted to make a video on that. We'll talk about some... some fundamentals you need to know, some technicals, whatever you, well, yeah, we'll just get into that. First of all, right now, it's very bullish. Volume of 75% of a billion, so 750 million. I have to say, all right, and I'm going to get hate for this, I know, but I have to say that it looks a bit manipulated. All right, and I know it's very bullish. I really do know, but I'll tell you my reasoning and then I'll nuance myself. First of all, you can see that it has been very bullish just technically as well. Open interest has gone up from 100 to $167 million. An increase of about 67% in 1 day is super bullish. All right, there's nothing there's nothing bearish about that. So purely technically, Dydx is bullish as well. The reason why I'm calling it manipulated is that most of the volume is coming from sources like BitTrue, CoinW, Bika, SuperX. If it was one of those exchanges, I would have said, well, it's probably not manipulated. But because it's all of them, I just have to tell you that I think it's most likely that it is a bit manipulated. All right, and I know, all right, because before we get into the technicals, which we will, I know Dydx is doing great things. All right, I know the token is worth a lot with the staking and the rewards you get in USDC. I know, all right, and still I do think there's think about it. Obviously, when there's great news about a token, which has been the case with Dydx, obviously that's a very attractive crypto to manipulate it because there's going to be a lot of retail buying in as well. Doesn't matter. All right, right now, so we broke above at 3.3, then broke above 3.5, which was some sort of a minor resistance level. So right now it is a very, very bullish. Here you can see the main price target now is where we are at, between $4.25 and $4.5. And as you can see on the daily time frame, that's a major resistance level. It's the 1.618 fib of the entire move down from the 18th of April until the 10th of June. Apart from that, also a strong level. After that, $5 is the next price target, but I do not think Dydx will break above that level easily. I think it's possible. I think it's possible that it breaks through that, but I do initially expect resistance. All right, so then the big question is well, can it break above 4.5 and 4.2 later? And the answer to that, and the answer to that depends on if it's able to hold support. All right, because right now, I would say there's a bit of support right here at 4 up until 3.75. So right here is really the main support level. All right, so what we will see, at least I think, I mean, in the end, if Dydx breaks above $4.5, it's going up to 5. All right, and then afterwards, probably all the way up to 5.5 and potentially higher. So you should know that. It's not what I expect, but you should know that 4.5 is really the main level. If it breaks above that, it's going up. What I think is more likely is that Dydx will find resistance there, drop back down towards $4 and $3.75. And if that's able to hold for 2-3 days, then it will break above 4.5 a little bit later, get up towards $5. And I'll keep you updated on that for then. Apart from that, I mean, I think something like that is most likely because Dydx is very bullish right now, but you should know that $4.5 is a strong resistance. So if from there we get resistance and we break below $4 and 3.75, then the rallying is over. And Dydx will drop back down towards 3.2 and $3. And then it has been a great rally. It's still a great project, but then the bullish momentum is over. So it all depends on how much resistance we'll get at 4.25 and 4.5. That is something we'll see. I cannot predict that. I expect Dydx to be bullish enough to break through that level later. but without confirmation, by holding $4 as support, we have nothing. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. If you are interested in signals from me or my premium group, there are links down in the description or the pinned comment. You can check that out. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.